Spratel Nation, Batman Nation, Man Go Nation. I saw no desperate for views. I saw no one views off a jungle boss. Wanna go up on my page, go download my picture for and splice with coconut business about my thief coconut at St. Mary. I saw no desperate for views, man.
The suspect in an ongoing predial larceny scheme in St. Mary is now in custody. The police held him after hundreds of coconuts allegedly stolen from a farm were found at his home.
Bumbo rascal.
You still Beenie Man, you know. Oh, you get up and box down people. You box down Fambo. I know you kick a woman in her face.
Please, hear me now. You know bumbo like me, please. Go and suck your mother. I don't give a fuck about you nor your friend.
And daddy one, and the next man will get boxed down from Beenie Man. Because him never know who Beenie Man was. The youth from the 6 and after that, him disappear. We don't hear him again. Who want put out a search warrant for him too? Is he alive? Cause, for some reason, Beenie Man make some people disappear.
I'm a bad man and I don't give a damn. Bad man and this is who I am.
I apologize again because I apologize to you on the night, but I apologizing to you right now at this time. I am sorry. You accept my apology?
Yes, please.
Yes.
Almost 30 years now, me I notice a thing with you in a Beenie Man. Anytime you're wrong, you always apologize and say you're sorry.
Can I pray for your Sunday? Dear God, I pray for the person that is here with me right now. God, I pray that on this Sunday, you bless their mind with peace, that you bless their body with rest, and that you bless their spirit with your love. God, they may have had a tough week. They may be facing challenges that nobody knows about but you. But God, I pray that before they even pray for themselves, that you help them today.
Yo, wagwan my beautiful people, welcome forward to the channel. If it's your first time over on my side, big up yourself. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if it's your first time over here, I make you know how me deal with it over on my side. First and foremost, me have to big up all of the ones where I give thanks for life. Cause the last time I check it, life are the greatest. And all who subscribe to the channel, leave a like on a video and definitely them thoughts in the comment section. Cause it only support the channel though. Now, in today's review, my people have a few interesting clips for reason upon. First, we are going to talk about Jungle Boss. Recently, he post on TikTok and address some funny AI videos where people create. According to him, Vybz Kartel fans a screenshot picture of him and I use AI to make it look like say him a thief coconut my people. So we are going to reason about that and make us see what go on. We also have one Kevin we speak on Beenie Man. Him share some strong views and some controversial opinion about Beenie Man my people. Him career and certain situations surrounding the veteran entertainer. So we're going to talk about that. And we also have Shocking Maury. We're going to talk on the same Beenie Man situation. He might give him perspective and point out say Beenie Man usually come forward and apologize when him feel say him wrong. And trust me people, we have some more clips and some reaction coming up in the video. So stay tuned, right through, drop on the thoughts in the comments, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and make a jump straight in it. Bad.
Spratel Nation, Batman Nation, Man Go Nation. I saw no desperate for views. I saw no one views off a jungle boss. Wanna go up on my page, go download my picture for and splice with coconut business about my thief coconut at St. Mary. I saw no desperate for views, man. Man Go Nation, I saw no desperate, man. Jesus Christ, Father God. I saw no one views off of me, man. Why be I tell you, I'm no desperate over there. Mash up, man.
The suspect in an ongoing predial larceny scheme in St. Mary is now in custody. The police held him after hundreds of coconuts allegedly stolen from a farm were found at his home. Water Valley Farm in Rose End, St. Mary produces a wide range of crops. However, the workers say for years they have been losing because of theft.
So we have a big problem around here, so with thieving. You know, big problem.
They say one of their most lucrative crops, coconuts, is targeted by thieves. One of 2 men from the community who were reportedly caught in the act on Tuesday has now been arrested.
Alright, my beautiful people, so that's the Jungle Boss clip. You understand what I say now? If you don't watch it carefully, especially the clip on my post of TVJ, that just seem like them just adding picture beside the man that was commentating the news. You understand what I say? Now, it definitely it definitely is a joke, and it definitely is or look like an entertainment than anything serious. Nowadays technology can pretty much make anything look real, so always take the time out to check the facts, check if it's real before we run with anything. You understand what me I say now? Big up Jungle Boss and big up everybody we can take a little joke and keep the vibes positive. You understand what me I say? Now we have one Kevin, my people. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. One Kevin I talk about Beenie Man, and him just a downgrade Beenie Man. I make Beenie Man know say yo, him need to chill out. You understand what me I say? Cause him a do the most. Him the end of the media from how long when. You understand what me I say? So you want take a look and take a listen where one Kevin have to say. Bad.
I wonder if doctor give you last days. Me I wonder if a doctor look on you and tell you say yo, you have 3 more years to live or 2 more years. Because me never see a man who have him career in him hand, and because everything has trickled down, him ready for just dump everything in a garbage. You still Beenie Man, you know. Oh, you get up a box done people, your box done fambo, and now you kick a woman in her face. A man come out the other day and say, "Are you kill Bogle?" And the man disappear. You know, so we want put out a search warrant for that brother there. People remember the man who come out and have an interview and he said Beenie Man was the man who killed Bogle. You remember that guy that me attack? Put him name in the comment section. Cause me know who me attack. Then, a daddy one, and the next man will get box done from Beenie Man. Because him never know who Beenie Man was. The youth from the 6 and after that, him disappear. We don't hear him again. Who want put out a search warrant for him too? Is he alive? Cause, for some reason, Beenie Man make some people disappear. Yeah. And it look like Beenie Man, your money run out, you know, where you used to pay people for do it. So you do it brawling yourself, you know, gangster. A taxi guy? No, chauffeur. You do it brawling, you know, killer. That man, you know, Beenie. Yeah, man, Beenie, the done, you know, dog. I want you. Fuck around and you will find out. Type shit. Eh? Beenie Man. Be careful. Yeah, be careful. Unless doctor give you some time what you have left, be careful. It never too late. You see when them old Billy Cabsy, when time him blind and give him charge them. Them old Puff Daddy, when time everything start trickle down. Yeah. Them old R. Kelly, when everything start trickle down. It never too late, man. Yeah? It never too late. Cause right now, you expose yourself. Like you want the world know, say, well, Jamaica don't really give 2 shit, you know. Cause me go kick a girl in her face and nobody can do nothing. You say if America you're there, you got a jail till you fuck. If you put your foot in a special need person face. You can see say that woman they have a special need, bro. It's a special ed person. The woman 100%.
Alright, my beautiful people, so there you have it, you know, with one Kevin. Now, everybody entitled for them opinion, so I'm gonna leave an opinion in the comment section, but I know what I think. But I just want to remind the people them, say, when Future Fanboy did come out and make the allegations against Beenie Man, because I did do a review about it, and there was a voice note that was circulating on social media that I also did a review about, that the allegation was proven not to be true. You understand what I say? As far as the voice note was concerned, it was basically a publicity stunt that Future Fanboy was trying to arrange with Beenie Man, and that's the reason why management team Beenie Man did come out and make an official statement saying Future Fanboy need to retract certain statements and all of them things. So So as far as me concerned, all of that allegation against Beenie Man that Future Fambo made was not true, my people. Now, moving on to Shocking Maury. You understand what me I say? Because Shocking Maury, I make we know say, one thing with Beenie Man, when him there in the wrong, him we acknowledge say him there in the wrong. And we have to really and truly give it up to Beenie Man, because there's not much celebrity as a caliber like Beenie Man we can come out and take accountability for them actions. So me could take a look, me could take a listen to what Shocking Maury have to say. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave in the thoughts in the comment section. Bye.
Beenie Man, let me tell you something. You see ya? Tell you something, man. You Beenie Man, you me a talk to. You see you? I'm telling you what I like about the eye. What I like about the eye, you always apologize when you're wrong. And since almost 30 years now, me I notice a thing with you in a Beenie Man. Anytime you're wrong, you always apologize and say you're sorry. A real thing. You know, say, this video here we are growing with where them say Beenie Man stepping out and lady face. And I see the lady come out and I say Beenie Man stepping her face and she lose her false teeth and all kind of something. And I say, wow, go on around the corner there. But the Vybz say, catch and watch. Catch and watch. I'm a catch and watch. A Beenie Man and the same lady me say come out in one video. And Beenie Man I apologize to the lady. And I say, I'm sorry. And Beenie Man I say, you know what I know in her face, me step, me just rest my foot on her shoulder. And the lady I say, I true Beenie Man attack. Him never step in my face, he just rest him foot on my shoulder, but true me did kind of stoop down like and I get up, it look like I am face the foot there. But up on my shoulder, him rest him foot. And me I say, what? Really? So, Beenie Man, me not lie. Respect for that. Because enough man when them do wrongs, you know, they now want to apologize. Them feel say them above apology. And I say it. But Beenie Man, me notice a thing with the eye, brethren. Anytime you're wrong, you always come out and apologize. Aya. You know say it. And it take a real man to apologize. And admit, say, what them did was wrong. Yeah, man. Beenie Man. Man. Respect for that. Come out and apologize to the lady. Yeah, man. And don't put your foot on a woman again. You hear me, I tell you. Whether you want to rest on shoulder or on leg or anywhere. Zane, I do that again, my general, because people will tell lie on you, know. Because you say that lady did one wicked man. That lady would have come out and say, you step in her face to show, you know. If she did that wicked, you know. And I say it, and big up the lady too. Yeah, man, more time we have to just solve things peacefully and calmly, man. Right, that's all. All the man them out there, we have put foot on when I kick down woman and I do all of that to do, man. If it stop it, you know. Yeah, because me tell you something. You know what I'm saying? I know a man at Portland, you know. Me know a man at Portland, he kick one man daughter and the man chop off the man foot, you know. You hear me I tell you now? Right, that's all. Me, shocking.
Alright, my beautiful people, so there you have it from Shocking Maury. You understand what I say now? We can understand where I say now, my people. And as I say now previously, one of the things I have to give Beenie Man credit for is for him come forward and apologize to the lady. You understand what I say? No, him shouldn't do that in the first place. We get that. And sometimes your first action is the action that tell you who you are as a person. You understand what I say? But still, enough entertainers pan a caliber for him level probably would have ignored the whole situation and move on. But him address it, him apologize, and at the end of the day, nobody not perfect, my people. But when somebody willing to take accountability and apologize, that deserve to be acknowledged. You understand what I say? So respect is where respect is due. So big up to Beenie Man, big up to the lady, big up to Shocking Maury. You understand what I say? Now, from one king to another, my people, we see where Vybz Kartel to the stage in Cayman last night. You understand what I say, my beautiful people? Now, that was a good looking performance. I make some rounds on social media. Bearing in mind, this was Vybz Kartel ever first time performing in Cayman. Now, me did post a clip of his performance previous to this vlog, my people. If you don't want, you can go check it out, guys. A longer video. For now, I'm gonna just post some clippings of him performance, just some highlights, just to keep the people them or give the people them an idea as to what took place during the show last night, my people. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. It's only free and it's only right and it only support the channel. Don't or bad.
Hold on! General! Hold on! Good night, my ladies! Let me fix my microphone, because this is the first time I've been in Cayman. And I love it! Hey, you are the cutest, watching the boss. Love you from the start, not of your heart. One bubble bath, how you pretty and you're smart. Everywhere you go, look, that's the vibe starting you. Look, watch me dancers. Bounce with it, bounce with it, bounce. Move with it, move with it. Wine for the girl. Keep that, take time for the girl. Sexy, I would have said, baby, I want this. I'm really to show this a long time Kartel and it's empty. Ready? Everybody put yourself on lunch in the air. Enough people out there. Calling my message. Thank you. It's just another day. Lights up, lights up, lights up. Touch up in me, you got this morning. Roll out the years before we start garden. Don't go for a stick for me, darling. Tell us the money there. In the street, this is poor people balling. No juvenile leaving young from morning. When the black woman's future be oxy. They got the girl, them we fight it alone. And I raise 2, 3 thing the pan them one. With the man, they no man no them one. They got the juvenile, them in on the street. When you send them about make it and not touch the chrome. They no one with it. But Cayman, no matter what you're going through, let's go! Yeah. Today is a new day. All praises to the Lord, we safe and we sanctified. But now make them stress me. With TJ, coffee and chrome as we bonify. for the people them when they at the lowest point in their life, bro. Life is so rough sometimes. I know I'm gonna miss it, baby. Why, Jesus? Yeah, you see? Let's go! Let's go! If you saw what I saw, you would have done what I did. I'm just saying. Hold on. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Yeah, it followed what me. Well, 1 second, please, guys. While you were malfunction. Yeah. Perfect now. Never knew so. Remember them say, Vybz Kartel could not come out of prison. You ready? Remember them say, even though you come out, you can't travel. You ready? Remember them say, Kartel can't get no hit song. Last year we give them comment, we give them God is the greatest, we give them what he said anymore. About. The point is, never say never. Anything you want to do in your life, believe in yourself first, believe in your God, and go towards it. Right now I feel like Michael Jackson, so then I drop a new song, chop it. Look, shush. This is the first time I'm premiering this song. And it's in Cayman. Ladies! True story, look! I want to listen. Any young lovers? Baby, fresh back. We need the extra with no money for breakfast. Mother says she won't business that. No big careless if you study the method. And you know that you're special. No matter where you do, don't mess up. But I know you know better. No matter where you do, don't mess up. Listen, I'm a watch home. China ready, we're not ready. I'm gonna be your light only if you let me. This is how you out and couldn't let me. Auntie that girl is, you know that you're special. No matter where you do, don't mess up. But I know you know better. No matter where you do, don't mess up. Voila, she like when we voila. Everybody knows that me love her. Anybody way out there will know.
Alright, my beautiful people, well, that's it for the show. If you enjoyed the show, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Bye.